Welcome to Mr. V Teaching Math. In this session, we are going to look at what fractions actually are. And to do that, I like to talk about pie. And in my case, it's pumpkin pie. You could make your pie whatever you want. I choose to make mine pumpkin pie. And it just so happens that today I'm quite hungry, so I'm going to eat a lot of pie. And yes, I know this won't be very healthy for me, but that's okay. I am going to eat this much pie. After, of course, it's been cut into 4 pieces. There, my pie has been cut into 4 pieces, and I'm really hungry, and I actually eat that much pie. Okay, so what is a fraction? I've eaten a fraction of the pie, a part of the pie, a piece of the pie. And that's what fractions describe. Parts of things. This would be the whole pie. I didn't eat the whole pie. I only ate part of it, and some of it is left. So let's think about how much I ate and how much is left. Well, I cut it into 4 pieces, and that's the important thing to remember when I'm talking about these numbers. It's going to be out of a total of 4 pieces. Or, another way to describe it, that is the whole amount of pie. So in both cases, this fraction is going to be out of 4 because that is the whole amount of pie, the total amount of pie. Now, if we use this to describe how much I ate, well, I ate 1 of the 4 pieces. 1 out of 4 pieces. How much was left? 3 out of 4 pieces. And in both cases, that is the part. Now, this particular phrasing that I'm using to describe it, in which we have the part over the whole, is going to come back later in another unit. So it's worthwhile thinking about it. The bottom is the whole, the top is the part. In this case, that's what I ate. In this case, it's what was left. Now, there are also some other fancy words that are used. This is known as the denominator, and this is known as the numerator. That's also worth knowing because in mathematics, this shows up here and there, that we have the numerator on the top, the numerator on top, and the denominator on the bottom. The part and the whole. And that's a basic introduction to fractions.